everyone, my name is Fayyad. Now I will tell some sentences with verb. I drink water, we drink water, you drink water, you drink water, he drinks water, she drinks water, they drink water, Peter drinks water, Stella drinks water, Peter and Stella drink water. I play football, we play football, you play football, you play football, he plays football, she plays football, they play football, Peter plays football, Stella plays football, Peter and Stella play football. I cut a paper, we cut a paper, we cut a paper, you cut a paper, you cut a paper, he cuts a paper, she cuts a paper, she cuts a paper, she cuts a paper. They cut a paper, Peter cuts a paper, Stella cuts a paper, Peter and Stella cut a paper. I boil water, we boil water, you boil water, you boil water, Peter boils, he boils water, she boils water, they boil water, Peter boils water, Stella boils water, Peter and Stella boil water. Thank you.